If you're planning a build and want the most bang for your buck, these 5 budget-friendly engine swaps will completely change your car's potential. Welcome back to Revival Rides, where we help you find, build, and revive your dream cars without breaking the bank. If you're into budget builds, sleeper swaps, and underrated power, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Let's kick things off with a legend, the Honda K20. It's a lightweight, high-revving 4-cylinder that's cheap, reliable, and responds insanely well to mods. You'll find them in everything from Civics to Miatas to old-school Hondas. It's one of the most popular engine swaps for a reason. Strong aftermarket, great power per dollar, and endless tuning potential. Number 2, the 5.3-liter LS V8, specifically the LM7. Found in junkyard Silverados and Tahoes, this iron block beast is cheap, tough, and makes over 300 horsepower stock. Swap it into any rear-wheel drive chassis and you've got instant torque on tap. It's the ultimate budget muscle engine, and the support for LS swaps is massive. Third, the one UZFE, Toyota's underrated all-aluminum V8. You'll find it in old Lexus LS 400s, and it's built like a tank. It revs smooth, sounds clean, and makes a perfect sleeper swap for drift builds or unexpected V8 conversions. It's cheap, reliable, and handles abuse like a champ. Number 4, finding the Ford Barra, a true Aussie legend. It's a 4.0-liter inline-6 with a factory turbocharger that can make 400 to 600 horsepower with basic mods. It came out of Falcon XR6 turbos and Fairmonts, and it's built for boost. If you want a torque monster that scares supercars, the Barra delivers. And finally, the SR20DET. This turbocharged 4-cylinder made its name in the Nissan S chassis, and it's still a favorite for drift and street builds. It's light, tunable, and has a huge fan base worldwide. Drop it into a 240SX or lightweight rear-wheel drive project, and you've got a proven power plant that loves to party. Those are 5 killer engine swaps that won't destroy your wallet, but can completely transform your build. What's your dream swap? Did we miss one that deserves to be on this list? Drop a comment below and let us know. And don't forget to subscribe to Revival Rides, new project car content every single week.